Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off or stop Samsung email vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the email app, or you can locate them in the app screen. So open up the Samsung email app. From your inbox screen or the email list screen, tap on the menu key at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in email settings, go down and tap on notifications. Now at the top here you can see it said allow sound and vibration. If you do not like to use sound and vibration, you could choose deliver quietly, or you can choose allow sound and vibration. Then we go down and tap on notification categories. Now tap on one of the categories. So for example, new emails. And in here you can choose to have it vibrate or not. So tap on vibrate to turn on vibration. Or if you want to stop or turn off vibration, you can turn the toggle button to the off position. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the email list. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.